Hi everybody! We have another unboxing today. I am very excited to unbox this. I found this item on eBay and I was very lucky enough to snatch this up at a reasonable price. Typically this item is just so hard to get. It's very limited in availability and it's really hard to come by, and the ones that are available in pre-loved market, they are ridiculously highly overpriced. So I'm very excited that I was able to snatch this up at a reasonable price on eBay. So let's open this. Yay! I love unboxing. Let's see. Oh, it's in the original box, and I think it came with the original receipt. No, this is not receipt. Oh, this is the receipt. So it came with the original receipt. So that's great. And here's the original box with the original dust bag. Yay! Oh, I'm so excited. Are you ready? Are you ready for the review? Oh, ta-da! Oh my god, this is so cute. It's a mini pochette. Oh, this is so adorable. This item is made in France with this gorgeous red interior. The detail on this is amazing. Vivienne is holding mini Alma, which is so adorable, and on the luggage, on the car, there's a bunch of Louis Vuitton shopping bag and keyboard with a luggage tag. How cute is that? Wow, it's so adorable. It looks to be in really good condition. It has the original this whatever you call it, this insert. So it looks to be in brand new condition. It doesn't look like it's used at all. And the date code is right here. And date code says SF4119. So this was produced in 2019, 41st week of 2019. So that's great. I've been hunting for this mini pochette for like forever, and you know, you guys know that mini pochette is really hard to come by, and the ones that are available in pre-loved market is just overpriced. But the ones that are limited edition, like this Vivienne, what do you call this edition? Vivienne Goes to Paris, I think, something like that. I'm not sure. This is super hard to find. I think they're like way overpriced in pre-loved market. So I'm really happy that I was able to grab this one at a reasonable price. Okay, anyway, so that was my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.